How to create and sell NFTs. In this video, we'll be exploring how to create and sell NFTs. While the process can seem complex, it's actually relatively straightforward once you understand the basics. To create an NFT, you'll need to start with a digital asset such as an image, video, or piece of music. You'll then need to encode the asset onto a blockchain using a specialized platform or service. Once you've created your NFT, you'll need to set up a digital wallet to store it in. This wallet will allow you to send and receive cryptocurrency in exchange for your NFT. Once you've created your NFT and set up your wallet, you can list it for sale on an NFT marketplace. There are a number of different marketplaces available, each with their own features and fees. Marketing is key to selling your NFT, and there are a number of different strategies you can use to promote it. This may include social media outreach, collaboration with other artists, or offering limited edition runs of your NFT.